Alright, this one's going to be folded in half like usual. Crease along the edge. Open it up. Fold your corner to your center line. Corner to your center line. Crease here. Crease here. Then you're going to take the whole tip and fold right along that edge right there. Straight back. And then crease. And you're going to take your tip here and fold it up and make a crease. Then you will take this corner and fold it to your center line and crease. Take this corner with this edge to your center line and crease. Now this part here is a little bit tricky because you've got to fold, you've got to make a crease right here, which is going to get tucked under here. So you're going to make a crease like there, and then fold this one as well and make a crease, and then you're going to take those two tips and stick them under that flap right there. So they'll just kind of tuck underneath there. So you'll end up with that. Okay, show you one more time. You're going to fold this corner in like this, and then it's going to tuck underneath there. Alright, so that'll be what it'll look like. You've got your center fold, and then this angle, and then it goes straight. And then you will fold your plane in this direction. Okay, get a good crease here, good crease up along here. Just kind of touch everything up, make sure you've got a good crease. Alright, and then from your tip, you're going to fold your wing back like so. Okay, and then get a good crease in that one, and then flip it over and match your two wing edges up with each other, and then crease everything down, and boom, there you go. Nice little glider. I like this one a lot. This is cool. And that's what the bottom will look like. Now you can, if you want to make it fly better, take a piece of tape and tape this back and tape it right here so it stays fully together, and it'll fly a lot better that way. Just a little tip for you. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Come back tomorrow and check out the next Airplane a Day series. Thanks guys, bye.